Hello friends, welcome to the learning curve. Now let's solve this equation with the third degree. The equation is x cube plus x square is equals to 12 and we have to find the value of x. Let's see how do we proceed in this question. We have x cube plus x square is equals to 12, right? So what we can do, we can just break up this 12 into 8 and 4. Now bring this 8 and 4 on the right hand side. So you get minus 8 and minus 4 is equals to 0. Now rearrange this equation as x cube minus 8 plus x square minus 4 is equals to 0. Here just write this 8 as a power of 2 and write this 4 as well as a power of 2. Now you can see that x cube minus 2 cube. Here you can apply the algebraic identity, and with this x square minus 2 square you can apply the algebraic identity, that is a cube minus b cube is equals to a minus b bracket a square plus ab plus b square, and for a square minus b square is equals to a plus b into a minus b. Now applying these identities, you can write this x cube minus 2 cube as x minus 2 bracket x square plus 2x plus 4 plus, now apply the algebraic identity here, you get x plus 2 bracket x minus 2 is equals to 0. Now out of these two terms, just take out x minus 2 common. So you are left with x square plus 2x plus 4 plus, here you are left with x plus 2 is equals to 0. Now you can further simplify it as x minus 2. Just open the brackets inside the bracket. 4 plus x plus 2 is equals to 0. Further, you can write this x minus 2 bracket x square plus. Now I add up these two values of two linear terms, 3x, and then here you get add the constants, that is 4 and 2, that makes 6 is equals to 0. Now this implies that x minus 2 is equals to 0. Now we have x minus 2 is equals to 0, and the second possibility is x square plus 3x plus 6 is equals to 0. For x minus 2, x is equals to 2. So this is one solution of x. Now to find out the solution for x square plus 3x plus 6, comparing this equation with the standard quadratic equation, that is ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0, we have a is equals to 1, b is equals to 3 and c is equals to 6. Now put these values in the standard quadratic formula, that is x is equals to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Put the values, you get minus 3 plus minus under root plus minus under root, you put 3 square minus 4a into c upon 2 into 1. After simplification, you get x is equals to minus 3 plus minus under root, this is 9 minus 24 upon 2. Further, if you simplify it, you get x is equals to minus 3 plus minus minus 15 upon 2. Now here you can write this minus 15 as 15i. So we have two imaginary roots of x and the other root of x is equals to 2. And this is the solution. I hope you understand it, and if you like it, kindly subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.